Yeah, this is Jimmy, maker of the Nissan Baja kit, 614-470-2356. If you're looking for the very last large long travel kit, direct bolt on for one of these trucks, 8604. That tire right there is still on the ground. It's just now starting to hit bump. You can look at the alignment right there. It'll actually drop about another inch and a half below that. I have a jack underneath that. I'm going to take this video like this. Now here's a Nissan Hardbody. This is actually about 2, maybe 3, 2.5 probably over stock. That truck there. So this is almost, you know, full droop. This will actually compress all the way to here, to this line. So this thing swings 12 inches of travel all day long, no problem. This is a used kit. It was put on the truck in 08. It has about 110,000 miles on that kit. That kit's held up really well. I've had a lot of fun in the kit. I use all factory Nissan bushings in the lower control arms for a strict reason. And this also uses factory Nissan lower control arm bushings, but they're not four-wheel drive ball joints. They're actually stronger than those. They came from an older model truck, and they're one of the largest ball joints you can actually get still today. One of the largest ball joints in any truck. The sides, basically, I gotta cut the droop stop there to the right height. So I'm not quite done on this side here yet. It's just about ready to be lowered to the ground, and I gotta put the torsion bar in it. And so once we drop this to the ground, it's going to lose a little bit of lift, and the track width will actually go out a little bit wider. So basically, it's going to be 4 inches wide per side. And you know how your camber works, you know, on a long travel kit, because the control arms come in this way, so they pull the wheels in. So you do have, you know, a track width change through your travel range in any type of a long travel kit. Track width changes, you know, on those kits a lot more than a stock truck does. Again, this is Jimmy, Nissan Baja kit, 614-470-2356. Thanks for watching.